Yo guys, welcome to my cryptocurrency channel. My name is Manuel K, aka CryptoK, and I will give you now some reasons why you should subscribe my channel. Yeah, because this is the English one. I have already one in German, CryptoK. It's for Germany. I grow this in the past few months to almost 10,000 followers. Very successful. We made a lot of IDOs and ICOs. For example, we made Steppen. Everybody maybe outside knows that the coin Steppen because it have currently the absolutely hype coin. We bought it with 1 cent. Yes, really, with 1 cent. I just changed to my screen monitoring. Please take a look which price is today. $3.53. Yes, that's a 350x or 35,000% growing from our purchase price. That means if you should had invested $1,000, that would be today $350,000. It's just one example. Yeah, we have so much more things. I make also very successful cryptocurrency trading, and not just this. Believe me, guys, I have a mix of secret indicators. I call it secret indicators. I made a mix of indicators for TradingView, which gives us a 90% plus winning rate. And if you're laughing now and think, that's not possible, man, I will speak here for shit. No, absolutely not. I will share later in this channel some results from here, because I have in my German community, we have already a Telegram group where we give us together the signals from the different cryptocurrencies, and also the beginners make their profits from 40%, 60%, 100%, and this just in a few hours, because this indicator mix gives us signals. Hey, now you have to make a short. Now you have to place a long order. That's absolutely mind-blowing. Yeah? And I will share this on this channel with you. So everyone who subscribe this channel will see later this video where I exactly explain in detail how you get this indicator mix to get maybe the same profits. I cannot promise something, but it will be. Not just this, you know. I look in the future for the future of cryptocurrency, and a big part of it is the metaverse cryptocurrencies. And believe me, guys, metaverse, that will be absolutely, I can also say mind-blowing. That will be to the moon, you know, because we are now in the metaverse. We are on the same level like Bitcoin was on the beginning. It's completely fresh, you know. We are completely on the start of something extremely huge. And you will see which metaverse coins and metaverse projects I will share with you on this channel. So yeah, I share so much positive things with you. Yeah, maybe I have something. Yeah, maybe Wheelosh. A few months ago, Wheelosh was on the start. I made the first video on the German channel, on the German speaking market for Wheelosh, and everybody was laughing at me, you know. They say, why this should give for free these tokens out, and at the end we was laughing, because me and my community, I got just 4 figure, I don't know, I think my worth of the coins was 1,000 and something, but a lot of guys of my community make 5 figures. They make $10,000, $15,000, $70,000 for free with Wheelosh, and then they was beginning to trust me, you know. In the beginning, they was laughing at me and say, hey, that's a project, you don't know everything about it. And yeah, in the end, we was laughing. So yeah, this was just a small information video for starting on this YouTube channel. It will become almost daily content for trading, for the cryptocurrency market updates, for new IDOs, ICOs, for metaverse, and so on. You will see. We will grow together. This is what we do on my German channel. We grow together already, you know, and it's absolutely, yeah, it brings peace in my life when I see the peoples, they share their thoughts with me, their profits with me, and they say, thank you, Manuel. You are the reason why I made my first cryptocurrency profits. You are the reason why I have now, I don't know, $30,000, $50,000 on the side just from cryptocurrencies. And I want to do this also for a new English community, what will be so much more bigger. So subscribe to the channel. I know I say this so much times, this video, but I really appreciate when you subscribe to the channel. Maybe you leave a comment, press the bell, then you get the notification when I share a new video, and a like will be a thumbs up for my new channel. So thank you for looking this video, for watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.